Okay, so good evening, Ethan, and welcome back to our class. So for today, um, okay, our main focus today is all about homophones. And you already know that, right? So homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and meanings. Okay, this can be tricky because even though they sound alike, they are used in different ways when writing. Okay, so before we start an hour lesson, is my face clear? Can you hear my voice clearly?
Oh, oh,
Okay, that's good. Okay, again, I'm glad to see you and I'm happy that you are ready for today's class. Okay, so I know you've been working hard on this worksheet, and today we will continue reviewing so that you understand the lesson even better. So, again, thank you for always showing effort and focus. So, it really helps you improve step by step. Again, homophones are words that sound alike but have different spellings and different meanings. So we are going to focus on the words it's with apostrophe and it's without apostrophe. And also been, seen, sin, new, fair. Okay, you are and then your. Are you ready?
oh, oh.
Okay. So we're not going to use this worksheet anymore. So I've made some new worksheets. It's okay. Okay. So let's start. So we have here it's. Can you see my writing? They hold on. Type right. So it's without apostrophe, Ethan, it means belonging to it. Okay? While it's with apostrophe, it means it is. So next we have your. Your shows ownership. You are or your with an apostrophe. So you apostrophe re means you are. Do you still follow?
Oh, oh.
Next we have new. So new means not. What? What does it mean? New.
Um,
New means.
brand, it's brand new.
Can you repeat that?
It's not, it's like the opposite of old.
Okay, so it means not old. How about new?
New means you know.
Okay, or means we could also you understood before. Next one, we have fair. Fair and fair. So what does fair means? The first word here, fair.
Fair means like a carnival.
Very good. It's a carnival. Or just means a carnival or just. While fair, fare,
Um, only
okay. It's okay. Fair means a cause of a ride. Like when you are riding a bus, there's a fare and you need to pay for bus fare. Okay, are we clear?
Well,
Next one, we have bin and bin. What does bin, B-I-N means?
bin means bin is like where stuff goes.
Can you repeat that?
A bin is where like where you can put stuff, and it's like
Okay, so
it, it's like where you can put your stuff in.
okay. So or bin is a container. While bin or B-E-E-N, while bin or B-E-N means like you've been there before. So it means you visited some place before. Okay? Last one, we have seen and seen. So seen means the first word here. What does it mean, Ethan?
It means like something it's like it's like uh it's like something's happening.
Something happening. Can you think of another meaning for seen?
Like a show.
Okay, like a show. Or scene is part of play or movie. While scene, S-E-E-N, is
It's you've seen it. You saw it before.
or the past tense of what?
Or see
Okay,
saw.
very good. See. Past tense of see. Okay. So again, can you read all of the homophones here?
Well,
Okay.
uh, it means belonging to it. It's it's with it means it is. Your means shows ownership. Your means you are. New means not old. New means understood before. Fair means carnival or just. Fair means cost of a ride. Bin is a container. Bin means visited before. Scene is a part of a play or movie. Scene is scene means past tense of see.
Okay. So by practicing this, you learn how to choose the correct spelling in sentences, which will make your writing clear and correct. Okay, so are you ready for the activity that is similar to this page?
Well,
All right. Okay. So you just have to tell me, is it the first word or the second word? And I'll encircle it for you. You may now start.
uh,
Read and what is your answer? Is it first or second? Then spell it out.
past tense of no. Second,
Spell.
KNEW.
Next.
A part of a movie. Scene. First, SCENE.
Very good.
Belonging to you. Your. Second, you. You are.
YOUR. Okay.
Short, or it is. Its second, ITS.
IT apostrophe S. Okay. Make your voice louder. Okay. Next one.
A container. First, BIN.
Okay, very good. Next.
Past tense of seen. Second, SEEN.
Okay. Okay, very good. So new and KNEW is the past tense of no. Okay? Scene or SCENE is a part of a movie or play, while SEEN is past tense of see. Okay? Your shows ownership. Okay? And then you are or you or YOU apostrophe RE means you are. It's with apostrophe, that would be it is. It's belonging to it. Okay, and then again, bin is a container, while bien, BEEN, is visited before. Any question regarding these words? Okay, let's proceed with the next activity. You need to fill each blank with its or its with apostrophe S. Just remember it's with apostrophe, it is, and then it's without apostrophe, belonging to it. Read and answer.
Going to read later today. It's IT apostrophe S.
very good. IT apostrophe S. Next one, Ethan.
The dog wagged tail happily. It's ITS.
Very good. Next one.
Fun to play outside with friends. It's fun to play outside with friends. IT apostrophe S.
Very good. Next one.
The car lost one of its wheels. ITS. It's
Okay. Explain the difference between the two homophones. It's with apostrophe S and then it's without apostrophe.
it's with an apostrophe means it is, and it means the belonging.
belonging to it. Okay, so this activity helps you remember that homophones may sound the same. Okay, may sound the same, but their meaning are what? Okay, their meaning are different. Okay, so using the correct spelling, okay, avoids confusion. Okay. Okay, can you explain what is homophones again?
Homophones are things that may sound the same, but their meanings are different.
And also their spellings. Okay, so again, this lesson is important because many students confuse these words when writing. So even though they sound alike, the meaning changes depending on the spelling. Again, you will be the one who will now explain the meaning or the difference between the two homophones. Okay, once again, what is the difference between its and its with apostrophe?
It, it's without an apostrophe is the belonging to it, and it's with an apostrophe is me is it is.
Okay, how about your versus your with apostrophe?
Your means your like its ownership
Okay, shows ownership, while your with apostrophe.
means you are.
Very good. Now, next is new versus new.
New means it's not old,
Okay, not old.
like the opposite, and new
Okay, very good. And then
new, new,
new,
new like you 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 know,
you know, or you under,
and
okay, you understood before. Okay. Now let's proceed with fair versus fair.
fair fair is a carnival, and fair is a is like a ticket to a ride.
A ticket or a cost of a ride. So fair, FAIR, means a carnival or just. And then fare, FARE, is the cost of a ride. Or yeah, a ticket. So you could have a ticket that you are allowed to ride a bus. And then you can sit now after paying. Then we have been and bin. Explain the meaning.
Bin is a container, and bin means you've been there before.
Okay, you've been there before, or you visited before. Okay, you visited a place before, so you've been there. Last is we have seen versus seen.
Scene is a like a show, or like has to do with like it has to do sometimes with movies or
Okay, Very good. So it is a part of a play or movie. Then scene.
Seen means you saw you've already saw you already like saw it.
Or the past tense of what?
The past tense of see.
Okay, past tense of see. Okay, so we still have time, so we will proceed with another activity that focus on the homophones. So you need to tell me what will I cross out the incorrect homophone in each sentence. Then I will write down the correct word, but you are going to answer it for me. Okay? Can you see the sentences?
Well, I know how to solve the math problem. No.
Okay, so the word is new, so I will cross this out. And what is the correct spelling? Correct word. What should be the correct word?
Knew.
Okay, Knew. Very good. Next.
We have seen that cartoon many times. A scene the correct spelling is Seen.
Okay, very good. Next.
The bus fare is only $2. Fare the correct spelling is Fare.
Okay, Fare. Next one.
Dad bought me a new backpack for school. New, the correct spelling is New.
Next one.
The play had a funny scene with clowns. Scene, the correct spelling is Scene.
Okay.
I have been to the library 3 times this week. Been, the correct spelling is Been.
Okay.
It's raining outside right now. It's the correct spelling is no
Mm.
it with an apostrophe.
Okay, this one. Okay, next one.
Let's go to your classroom after lunch. Your the correct spelling is Youre.
Youre.
No, take that.
Oh, okay.
Which scene in the story made you laugh? Scene, the correct spelling is Scene.
Okay.
I keep my toys in a plastic bin. Bin, the correct spelling is Bin.
Bin. Okay. So again, new, Knew, past tense of know. Seen or Seen is the past tense of see, while seen, Scene, is a part of a play or a movie. A fare, okay, a fare, Fare, means the cost of a ride. So as you can see here, $2. So it's a cost. While fair, Fair, can mean a carnival or just. Then new, New, means not old. Okay, while new again means you understood before. Okay, it's past tense of know and means understood before. Been, means you visited before. You visited a place before and you've already been there. And then while bin, is a container. It's with apostrophe s, it is, while it's without apostrophe means belonging to it. Your your shows ownership, while your with apostrophe you apostrophe re means you are. Okay, so again, this review helps you remember that homophones may sound the same, but their meanings and spelling are different. Okay, so using the correct spelling, okay, avoids confusion. Okay, so last one, I want you to think of an example, a sentence using the word your, Y-O-U-R, and Y-O-U apostrophe R-E.
You, you,
Okay, so that would be your um we will continue this one. So think of an example sentence using the word your and U apostrophe R-E. So again, I just have to end this call and I'll call you right away. But in our first session for this is we focused on tackling about homophones it's, your, new, fair, been, and sin. Okay? Thank you so much, Ethan, and I'll call you again. Bye bye.
okay, thank you.